Hello guys, I want to be working on my Sienna, Toyota Sienna 98 model. The boot suddenly failed, that is the shock absorber of the boot suddenly failed, and to get things out of the boot becomes very difficult as the boot continues to fall. You need a kind of either object to keep the boot open in order to be able to pull out all or remove all the things in the boot. So that was what prompted me to go into purchasing another boot shock absorber. Actually, the one that failed is the one by the left hand side. And how do you know that your boot shock absorber has failed? You easily identify it when you open your boot. Your boot, door refuses to remain upright or stay upright. So this evening, we'll be looking at a way of getting the shock absorber replaced. The first thing you have to do is to clamp the right hand side of the boot. Get an object, a metal object, to clamp the right shock absorber. Then, having done that, you are to remove the clip, the upper clip of the failed shock absorber, the one by the left. Then after removing it, you can easily pull it out. Then remove the lower one as well and pull it out. Having done that, the next thing to do is to pick up the new one. And you can see the new one is still very stiff. That is to say, it's always pulled outwardly, while the failed shock absorber is pulled inwardly. Thank you. Now, as we proceed further, we'll be fixing the new shock absorber. As we have earlier explained, make sure the right hand side of the shock absorber is clamped so that the boot will not fall on you as you walk on the boot. You have to make sure that all safety procedures fully followed. Then get the new shock absorber and position the lower end of it into the groove and allow it to groove properly. Then position the upper one to groove also properly. And having done that, the next thing is to make sure that it is properly set and get it clipped. Once it is clipped, you are very sure that you have done a good job and it will not pull out anyway. This replacement of the shock absorber does not require any special, you know, technicality or professionalism. This is what you can do yourself.